So this, for this color for the apple, I took red and I added a little bit of chocolate fondant to it just to change the color a bit. Start by kneading it up. Okay, so when you get where the lines are out, I had a couple lines here, but I'll make that the bottom. The lower portion of the ball you want to just take like this. The center part here, you can kind of take your thumb, push in a little bit, and then take a brush, back of a brush like this. Okay, and then down at the bottom, it kind of goes in, and really just where you're going to see it. We can actually put this one on the side like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm just kind of pushing it how I want it to sit. Okay, and I have a little bit of, this is called Black Magic dust. Ooh, it's not open. And I usually do that, a little bit of that on my apples. Just give it a little bit of sheen here and there. Okay, just gives it that little bit of a shiny look. And then again, we can use the cloves for the, try to pick a long one. Okay, we'll put this in the back here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make another orange for the back over there on the left side, and then I think we'll go to maybe start doing some of the grapes. I'll know after I put this on, maybe some of the grapes before we fill in the rest of the fruit, because we want to make sure that the color is right. Where's the color? Oh,